cactus stands in a field of gray, arms outstretched like it's trying to pray. Drops falling down, but it doesn't drink. What kind of life doesn't stop to think? Cactus in the rain, what's the deal? Are you too tough to feel? Soaked to the core, but you stay the same. Cactus in the rain. I saw a bird land on your spiny throne, singing a tune like you're not alone. But you just stood there, cold and still. What's your secret? What's your thrill? Do you laugh when the thunder rolls? Do you cry when the lightning tolls? Or are you just a stubborn friend, standing tall till the very end? Cactus in the rain, what's the deal? Are you too tough to feel? Soaked to the core, but you stay the same. Cactus in the rain. Maybe we're not so different, you and me, rooted deep where no one can see. In the rain, we both remain, a cactus and a heart just playing the game.